Have you ever wondered how far the planets are from the Sun? This indeed is a fascinating question that takes us straight into the vastness of our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. The expanse of space is so incredibly large that we have to use a special kind of measuring stick known as astronomical units, or simply AU. 1 AU is the average distance from the Earth to the Sun, which is about 93 million miles. Our solar system is a bustling neighborhood of 8 planets, each orbiting the Sun at different distances. Closest to the Sun is Mercury, followed by Venus, our home planet Earth, and then Mars. These are known as the inner planets. Beyond Mars lie the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Understanding these distances can give us a better sense of our place in the cosmos. So let's dive in. Now, how far are the inner planets from the Sun? Let's dive right in. As we journey from the Sun, the first stop is Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. It's about 36 million miles away from the Sun, or to put it in astronomical terms, it's about 0.39 astronomical units AU away. This close proximity to the Sun results in scorching daytime temperatures, yet surprisingly, due to its lack of atmosphere, nights can be freezing. Next up, we have Venus, our neighbor, located about 67 million miles from the Sun. That's roughly 0.72 AU. Venus is similar in size to Earth, but don't be fooled by its beauty. Its closeness to the Sun and dense carbon dioxide atmosphere make it the hottest planet in our solar system. Moving on, we reach our home, Earth, comfortably situated at 93 million miles from the Sun, or 1 AU. This perfect distance, not too hot and not too cold, allows for the existence of liquid water and life as we know it. Finally, we come to Mars, the last of the inner planets. It's about 1.52 AU away from the Sun, or a staggering 141 million miles. This distance gives Mars its colder climate, but also its striking red appearance due to iron oxide or rust on its surface. So there you have it. From Mercury's extreme temperature swings to Venus's scorching heat, Earth's life-sustaining conditions, and Mars's cold, rusty surface, each planet's unique characteristics are profoundly influenced by their respective distances from the Sun. These inner planets, although closer to the Sun, each have their unique characteristics influenced by their respective distances. What about the outer planets? How far are they from the Sun? Let's delve into the fascinating realm of the outer planets and their distances from our central star. Starting with Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It's located at an impressive 5 astronomical units away from the Sun. That's around 749 million kilometers. Due to this vast distance, the Sun's light takes about 43 minutes to reach Jupiter. This distance also contributes to the planet's colder temperatures and its unique array of over 70 moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in our solar system. Next up, we have Saturn, the ringed beauty. Saturn is approximately 9.5 astronomical units away from the Sun, or about 1,400,000,000 kilometers. It takes sunlight around 80 minutes to reach Saturn. This distance results in frigid temperatures, allowing for the formation of its iconic icy rings and numerous moons. Moving further out, we find Uranus, the pale blue planet, at a distance of 19 astronomical units from the Sun. That's nearly 2,800,000,000 kilometers away. It takes sunlight a staggering 2 hours and 40 minutes to reach Uranus. This vast distance contributes to the planet's extremely cold temperatures and its unusual tilt, with its axis nearly pointing towards the Sun. Lastly, we have Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun, located at a whopping 30 astronomical units away. That's an astounding 4.5 billion kilometers. Sunlight takes over 4 hours to reach Neptune. This distance, along with its cold temperatures, contributes to Neptune's strong winds and large storms. Each of these outer planets, with their immense distances from the Sun, holds unique characteristics. Their locations influence everything from their temperature to their physical features and even the behavior of their moons. Even though these planets are farther away, their distance from the Sun plays a significant role in their unique characteristics. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, distance in space is about more than just numbers. It shapes our entire solar system. So, what does this all mean for us, you might ask? Well, let's dive right in. We've journeyed through our solar system, from the scorching surface of Mercury, our closest neighbor to the Sun, to the icy realms of Neptune, the furthest planet in our cosmic neighborhood. Across these vast distances, we've discovered a remarkable diversity of worlds, each with its own unique story to tell. Mercury, at a mere third of an astronomical unit, or 49 million kilometers away from the Sun, is a world of extremes, with temperatures that can melt lead or freeze water solid. Venus, our next-door neighbor, is a little over two-thirds of an astronomical unit, or 108 million kilometers away. It's a hothouse world with a dense, toxic atmosphere. Earth, our home, is one astronomical unit, or 150 million kilometers away from the Sun. It's the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, but just right for life as we know it. Mars, our red neighbor, is 1.5 astronomical units, or 228 million kilometers away, and holds the promise of future human exploration. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, sits at a whopping 5 astronomical units, or 748 million kilometers away. Saturn, with its magnificent rings, is nearly 10 astronomical units, or 1,498 million kilometers away. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, are 19 and 30 astronomical units, or 2,870 million and 4,498 million kilometers away, respectively. These distances are more than just numbers. They represent the vast scales at play in our solar system, and they help shape our understanding of the cosmos. They remind us of our place in the universe and the incredible journey we've embarked on to unravel its mysteries. Remember, even though these distances seem vast, they are just a tiny glimpse into the grand scale of our universe. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.